I'm going to England in August.
So very soon.
Yeah, very soon. Yes, I'm going to Eastbourne for study English there. It's course for people older than 50.
Are you going there alone or with some?
Alone? No. I'm going to alone. I was 2 years ago. I was in the same course in Chestere. It was really interesting, and I'm looking forward in this event.
How long are you going to spend in Great Britain?
How long? 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks, yes.
What kind of studying is it going to be? You're going to go to some school, or that's a class with a tutor? What is it going to be?
The school, the program for 2 years for people like me. Every day we learn English. We have 3 hours of classes. 3, and then we go maybe to excursion or to different events.
And where are you going to stay? At the hotel?
No, in the family.
Oh, you're staying at the family?
Yes. Really interesting. Really. Last time I was happy. I was excited. And maybe 2 months I remembered about it.
That's interesting.